Here I have OnePlus Nord CE 2 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So first let's open camera, then tap here, go to its settings, and then go to the watermark. So here you have to enable it, and here you have author name. You just enter your own name, tag, or whatever you like. I don't know, maybe some quote. And now every photo you take will be marked with your own custom watermark, just like this one. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.